Hi, welcome to Piano Lessons for Beginners, where you learn how to play the piano from scratch. My name is Mancha Skazabo. I am a full-time musician. I am a songwriter, producer, and award-winning artist. I've been playing the piano for over 20 years. I'm the author of 14 piano lessons and music theory books, including several Amazon bestsellers. I'm the creator of the high-traffic piano lessons website, pianokeyboardguide.com. This piano course is designed for beginners. It's perfect for someone who is just starting out. If you've taken beginner lessons before and want to refresh your memory and take your skills to the next level, this course is for you as well. It's ideal for the beginner who wants to learn how to play piano quickly without wasting time and money on traditional lessons. You will learn how to identify all the notes of the piano keyboard and be able to play melodies, scales, and chords with them. You will learn how to play the right and left-hand parts of songs simultaneously. You will learn how to play the most important scales, basic and advanced chords, and the most common chord progressions in music. You will learn how to read notes on the music staff. By the end of this course, you will be able to play songs from very simple to popular hits. Thanks for your interest in piano lessons for beginners. I hope you're as excited as I am. If you're ready to learn more and sign up for the course, go ahead and hit that enroll button or take a test drive by using the free preview feature. See you in the course.